China is an excellent place to do your TESOL and begin your TESOL career. With China now being the world's second largest economy, leaders of government and industry have turned their focus to the east. Every year, more and more people are looking to learn about the world's oldest civilization. The experience you gain living in China will open a wide variety of opportunities with employers back home. Many employers are keen on hiring people with a global perspective and specifically China experience. China has recently become one of the hottest destinations for English teachers. With more than 300 million people moving into China's cities over the next decade, the demand for well-qualified, experienced English teachers has grown exponentially. China has quickly developed into a land of rich opportunity for new teachers to begin their careers and for those seeking to gain an appreciation and understanding of Chinese culture so as to move on and be successful in other fields.
The Will Excel TESOL course really is the best option for anyone who's wanting to come to China and start a career. All of our teachers receive the best training as well as a higher level qualification that no other course in the country offers. Not only is our course the only government accredited TESOL course, which we have through a partnership with the local education bureau, but we also offer the best benefits that you're not going to receive with any other course. Of those benefits, all teachers receive not only the 160 hours of TESOL training, which includes comprehensive TESOL methodology, 20 hours of Chinese Mandarin language lessons. Teachers also have an opportunity to teach their own classes, and throughout the course they get 10 to 12 hours of teaching practice, as well as 10 to 12 hours observing experienced teachers that have been teaching in China for quite some time. Teachers also receive free accommodation, meals, and transportation to and from classes. Here at Will Excel TESOL, we believe that in order for teachers to have a truly satisfying experience abroad, teachers need to be successful both inside and outside of the classroom. So not only will the TESOL training help you be a successful, unforgettable teacher, but the cultural training you get as part of the program will help you be successful outside of the classroom. And that's where our patented Focus on China case study comes in. The Focus on China case study includes 20 hours of Mandarin language lessons. Teachers are also introduced to topics such as culture shock. They learn about Chinglish, its semantics and origin, the history of the Chinese education system, which is important for any Western educator in China to know about, as well as social networking and doing business in China. Also, unlike any other TESOL program, our teachers, once they finish the 4 weeks of training in Harbin, go on to complete 500 hours of teaching practice at a partner school. And these 500 hours are accredited toward the teacher's TESOL diploma, which is the higher level qualification we spoke about earlier. Throughout the 6 months that it takes for teachers to complete these 500 hours, we're receiving monthly feedback from the teacher's management. The management is grading the teacher not only based on their performance in the classroom, but also outside of the classroom as an employee in the office. And this continuing feedback for 6 months after the initial TESOL training has been completed is what we feel really makes our program special.
The Will Excel TESOL program culminates in the issuing of a TESOL diploma, which demonstrates not only the teacher's mastery of fundamental TESOL methodology and principles, but also that the teacher has a substantial amount of practical teaching experience.
Extremely satisfied, and I feel very confident, and now going into a classroom I don't feel so overwhelmed and scared. I feel really excited.
I really doubt you'll find a better course that will prepare you practically and theoretically for what you may encounter in the classroom teaching English.
It's been a great course, and it's great to be in a different country doing the course.
It's just an overall fantastic experience.
It's been a really wonderful course, it's been a wonderful time, and it's a beautiful city.
Everything's been well above my expectations.
They really do give you the training you need to succeed in China.
For somebody my age, I would highly recommend it.
Overall, I feel much more confident as a teacher from what I've learned.
It's top quality instruction.
The end result is fantastic.
The best experience you could have.